Hi guys, my name is Chinmay Agrawal and today I'm going to show you that how can you create Google Sheet, Word or slides and share it with different people using just a link. So to do that you just need to open any browser, like I am using Google Chrome. Type drive.google.com. Use whichever ID you want to use, like I am using my default ID. Just click on new. Here you can upload files and folders, and using these, like this is Google Docs, which is like a Word file. Let me show you. And if I click here, it will open a Google Sheet, and here it is Google Slides. And if you want more options, you can go here. This is Google Forms, Drawings, Maps and many more, as you can see. So just click. I have created a Google Doc. I will show you a Google Sheet as well as a Google Slide. They contain all the features a Word file or any file should do, like Excel in Google Sheets, Word in Google Word, and slides as a PPT like PowerPoint. So here is Google Slide overview, here is Google Sheet, and here it is Google Word. So like suppose I type, this is my first video, just for example, and I want to share this video to many people. So I will just click on share. So I have to name my document flow. So I will name it first video and just save. So I got it. So here it is written restricted, only people added can open this link. So just click change to anyone with the link. Now that it update, now it's updated. Now you can see here it's viewer. If you want to share this link to someone so that he can also edit, comment, and if you only want him to view, so as per your convenience you can do this. Suppose I want someone to edit this, so I will choose editor. Now let it load first. Permission updated. Now here is the link. You just copy this link and click on done. That's it. You don't have to do anything. Now suppose I go to a new tab and paste this link. Enter. Now anyone using his or her ID can access the Word file you are sharing using Google Sheet, Word or Slides. Same with Google Sheets and Slides. Like here it is Google Sheet. This is my first video. Now I want to share this file. The same here you have to do. It's very simple. It can, and as well as it contains all the features an Excel file should do. If you are working in an office and you want to share your files or you want to demonstrate it, I would highly recommend you this Google 3 files. And if you want to make any forms or drawings, my maps, sites, apps, scripts, Jamboard, everything you will find here, and you can even connect more apps. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it. Then please like, subscribe to my channel and comment. Thank you.